Want to teach your music students a game that introduces them to solfege and gets them giggling every time? Let's get started. Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of MakingMusicFun.net. We post lessons and resources for elementary age kids, parents, and teachers. If you enjoy this lesson and don't want to miss out on future lessons and resources, please consider subscribing. Thanks! I love lessons and games that make learning fun, especially the super wacky ones like the Me-Do-Do game. I'll present this lesson like I would in the elementary music classroom, including playing the game at the end. A musical scale usually has letter names like A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. This is the solfege scale. It has special symbols for each step of the scale. The steps of the solfege scale are Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, and Do. Solfege is used all over the world to teach singers to sight sing better. Sight singing is singing music the first time you see it. When sight singing with solfege, singers sing the solfege syllables rather than the words. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Try it with me this time. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Great job! Who remembers what solfege is? That's right. It's a method to teach singers to sight sing better. When you use this method, each note of the music is performed with a solfege syllable. A long time ago, there was a bird called the dodo. It lived on an island near Madagascar. The dodo bird wasn't able to fly, and it wasn't smart enough to run away from the sailors that visited the island. Because the dodo bird was extremely easy to catch, it's now extinct. Today we're going to play a game called the Me-Do-Do game. The goal is to make sure you don't get caught being the dodo bird. For each round of the game, I'll sing 3 solfege syllables and you'll sing them back to me. However, it's important to listen carefully because you don't want to repeat me when I sing Me-Do-Do, which means I'm the dodo. If you do, you're the dodo bird. Try not to get caught. Do, do, do. Mi, mi, so. Re, re, do. So, so, re. Fa, fa, re. Mi, do, do. Ha ha! Caught you! Let's see who we can catch next time. I like to repeat this game a few more times to catch a few more kids and add to the giggles. In between each game, you can drill what you've taught by either singing the scale again or by asking your students to define solfege. That's it for this lesson. See you next time.